Okay, so you should be on the back of handout 7A. And like I said, you're not trying to read the handout that's on the slide. You're reading your actual workbook because there's no way you can read that text on that slide. All right, so our next excerpt says, traveling was even rougher down south. They didn't take too kindly to black folks down there, especially if you were from up north. We would have to travel several hundred miles without stopping because we couldn't find a place where we could eat along the way. Several hundred miles without eating. So the sample paraphrase says, Kadir Nelson says that traveling was rough in the South. Most people didn't treat black folks very well. They would have to travel several hundred miles without stopping because there was no place to eat along the way. Well, this person basically wrote almost word for word what it says in the actual text. And they didn't cite the page number at all. Again, no page number. So first I want you to write the word key points because they didn't put it in our workbook. Key points. So I felt like this one was trying to make two key points. One was Southerners, that's people who live down south. Southerners weren't nice to blacks. Weren't nice to blacks. And the second one was that it was hard to find food. Hard to find food when traveling. And then I want you to write the word paraphrase. I'm not giving you the paraphrase this time. You have to do it yourself. So make sure you say the page number. And if you look at the little parentheses in the quote, it's page 24. So you can start with like, according to page 24 of We Are the Ship, or on page 124 of We Are the Ship, the author wrote, or Kadir Nelson wrote, that Southerners were not nice to the black baseball players. It was also very hard for them to find food when they were traveling. So please write your paraphrase. Then the third one, I want you to do by yourself. I'm not giving you the key points. You need to determine 2 or 3 key points that were being made and then paraphrase it using the page number. So go ahead and finish the second excerpt and do the third excerpt on your own, and that's where we will start tomorrow. Good luck, everyone.